guys, it's Queen.
And it's Andy.
And today we're going to take off the rear tires and replace the brakes.
Let's get started. First, we're going to be removing the tires off the 1947 Plymouth. Let's go ahead and get started. So right here we have the normal lug nuts of the 1947 Plymouth, but what's special about these is they have letters on them. And the letters on these lug nuts is L, standing for turning clockwise whenever you're unloosening, and turning counterclockwise whenever you are tightening it up. I'm going to go ahead and untighten them, and then we're going to take off the tires. So here's one, and Wendell's going to be holding this for us. Alright, we're going to continue with all the rest of the lug nuts, and we'll get back to you once all the lug nuts are off. Oh man, those are on really good. Queen, will you go get the Big Shot spray? That way we can remove all the rust from here.
Of course. There you go, Andy.
Thank you. I'm just going to try this one more time. Oh, wow. And we're going to put the lug nuts in this bag. And now we're going to take off the tires off of the car. They weigh a lot, so. Alrighty.
Oh, my shadow is in the way.
Okay, so normally you would place a tire somewhere else, but in this case, since we are living on a hill, we're going to leave it underneath the car for support if it falls.
Like, pick it up actually?
Yeah. Grunt for me. Now he's taken off the tires, and we're going to be taking a close look at the drums. In order to remove the drum, we need to take the carter key out of. So let's go ahead and do that. Right here is a puller, and what it does is it removes the drum. You attach it to the drum like a normal wheel. You have 3 lug nuts that attach to these 3 legs, and then you pull it off.
Did you break it?
I got it loose! I got it loose!
You got it loose! You got it loose!
Oh my
Go tell
God.
Daddy that you got it loose.
Everybody, we better get 100 likes because
Yes.
that hurt. I'm about to do more hurting.
Each like is Michael's grunts. And many other things.
I've grunted a lot.
Yeah, so
That
that
means many likes.
it was popping. And then smoke came out of it. Steam.
That's not smoke. That's just dust.
Oh, that's gross.
Smoke. How does my hair look?
Like brown and silky smooth.
Okay. Silky smooth.
How does my hair look?
Looks great as usual.
Guys, please get us to 200 subscribers. We're so close of getting there.
And then we'll keep on growing until we hit 1,000 subscribers. And then we'll be able to make money. That way we're able to do more things for you guys. Okay, everybody. You got Carney Queen? Yeah! Oh my goodness, look at that drum. Okay. So this is what the inside of the drum looks like. And then if we move over to the brakes, this is what the inside of the brakes look like with everything on it. That'll do it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like button. Next time, we are going to review over how to replace the brakes on our 1947 Plymouth.
Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications. And comment down below what you'd like to see next.